Three icons and their favorite flowers. From England, we move to France into the world of art. Claude Monet, the father of Impressionism, filled his gardens at Giverny with water lilies. These blooms became his obsession, inspiring more than 250 paintings that today hang in museums around the world. Water lilies symbolize peace and enlightenment. They thrive in ponds in zones 3 through 10, requiring still water and full sun. Plant rhizomes in baskets filled with clay soil, submerge them, and in summer their blooms drift like jewels across the water. Growing rare named varieties can open an income stream. Collectors and landscapers pay well for divisions, and water features with lilies are highly desirable for wedding venues and public gardens. Another artist, though from a very different world, surrounded herself with bold plants. Frida Kahlo's Casa Azul in Mexico City bursts with cactus, agave, and bougainvillea. For Frida, these plants were not just decorations. They symbolized resilience, Mexican identity, and the cycles of pain and healing she endured. Cactus and agave thrive in hot, dry climates, zones 9 through 11. They require sandy, fast-draining soil and little water. Bougainvillea loves the sun, climbing walls and cascades of color. For modern growers, these plants have strong market appeal. Succulent and cactus cuttings are always in demand. Bougainvillea standards in pots sell for premium prices, and agave pups can be cultivated for landscaping or even small batch artisanal products like syrups and fibers. Finally, we return to England and the gardens of a lifestyle icon. Martha Stewart has long been known for her love of peonies. Her Connecticut gardens hold dozens of varieties, and every spring they explode into rows of lush, fragrant blooms. Peonies symbolize wealth and honor. They thrive in cooler climates, zones 3 through 8, needing winter chill to set buds. Plant them shallowly in sunny, well-drained soil, and they'll live for generations. Peonies are among the most profitable cut flowers. Bouquets sell for high prices in late spring, and bare root divisions can be sold in fall to gardeners eager for their own blooms. From Diana's forget-me-nots, to Elizabeth's lily of the valley, to Monet's water lilies, Frida's cactus, and Martha's peonies, these gardens tell stories of memory, art, identity, and luxury. Each flower carries a history. Each celebrity turned it into a symbol, and each one offers us a chance to bring beauty into our lives and even create a quiet stream of eco-friendly income. If you enjoyed this journey, give this video a like, and it really helps. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories of celebrity gardens, plant history, and ways to turn your love of gardening into something sustainable. Together, we'll keep exploring how flowers connect the past, the present, and the future.